Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a new supplier on accounting. So we can add a new supplier either through quick links here and click on vendor. We can add through purchases when we add the vendors by clicking on new vendor, and also when we would issue bills or invoices, we'll be able to add a new supplier from actual invoice as well. So let's fill in details of this new vendor. So every field with stars are mandatory. So let's start from adding my new supplier. So for example, Green Limited, you can add an email address, phone, and website as well as picture. Plus you can add in a reference if supplier have requested to reference one on any of their documents. And next section is billing. Here you can add a supplier tax number and change to different currency other than your home currency. And last section is address. So add address details. I have Green Town and I have postcode. You can also change to different country. Click on that field and it will provide all countries available. Okay, and click Save. So supplier has been added. This is supplier card. From here we can still go and edit if, for example, we want to add a phone number or email address, and we can send a vendor statement, duplicate or delete. If you go to vendors list, Green Limited has been added here. When you hover above, we can view contact card, edit, duplicate, or also delete. So this is a way how you can add a new supplier on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as my review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.